practicepeak.com.
Let's practice your English. You are at the airport. I'm the check-in agent. You're flying to Dubai.
Your attention, please.
I read purple. You read black. Are you ready? Let's go. Good morning. Welcome to the check-in counter. How can I assist you today? Of course, I'd be happy to assist you. May I have your passport and booking details, please? Thank you. Could you confirm your baggage details? How many bags are you checking in today? Perfect. Could you also confirm your seat preference or any special requests? Absolutely. I'll make a note of your seat preference and dietary request. Now, do you have your visa and any necessary travel documents for Dubai? Excellent. Just a couple more questions. Are you traveling alone today, or will there be anyone else joining you on the flight? All right. That's all sorted then. Your boarding pass is ready and your baggage tags are printed. Here's your boarding pass, and please attach these tags to your checked luggage. Your gate number is B7, and boarding will begin in about an hour. Do you have any other questions or concerns before your flight?
Your attention, please.
You're very welcome. Have a pleasant flight to Dubai, and feel free to reach out if you need anything else. Safe travels.
Thank you.
Let's practice your English. You are checking in at the airport, and I'm the receptionist. I'll read the purple, and you read the black. Are you ready? Let's go. Good morning. How can I assist you today? Welcome. Could I have your passport and flight details, please? Thank you. Let me just check you in real quick. Do you have any checked baggage today? Got it. And will you be carrying any carry-on luggage? Your check-in is all set. Here's your boarding pass. You'll be departing from gate B22, and boarding starts 45 minutes before departure. Have a pleasant flight to Dubai. You're welcome. Enjoy your trip.
Let's practice your English. I read the purple and you read the black. You are at the airport. You are speaking to the passport control officer. Are you ready? Let's go. Good morning. Passport and boarding pass, please. Thank you. Where are you traveling to today? How long do you plan to stay in Dubai? What's the purpose of your visit?
Let's practice your English. You are at airport customs. I'm the customs officer and you are the passenger. I read purple and you read black. Are you ready? Let's go! Good afternoon. Welcome. Could you please show me your customs declaration form? Thank you. Have you purchased anything abroad that you need to declare? All right. Could you please list them on the form and let me know their approximate value? Thank you for declaring that. Do you have any food items or agricultural products with you? Okay, please remember that some food items are restricted to prevent the spread of diseases. It's good that you're aware of that. Great, I appreciate your cooperation. Enjoy the rest of your day.